Are you ready to start looking for outfits for spring? Well, in this video, I'm going to go over the essential pieces that will make the foundation of your spring collection. So if you're about to head to the closet to start spring cleaning, then you have to watch this video. Welcome back to my channel, ladies. If you are new to my channel, my name is Nanda and I own a boutique in El Paso, Texas. And with this channel, what I want to do is to give you all the info on the current fashion trends and give you tips and tricks on how to style different things. So if you're someone that likes this kind of content, then please consider subscribing to my channel, giving this video a like. So with that, let's get started. The first thing that you should have in your wardrobe are pieces that you can use to transition from winter to spring, okay? With that, I mean outerwear. Now, I know that there's a lot of parts in the world and the country that are a little colder than where I live, so definitely if you live in a very cold area, this may not apply completely and you might have to wear really thick jackets. But for those parts of the world and the country that are warmer, such as the weather here in Texas, what I recommend that you have in your closet is basically a couple of great pieces that are going to help you layer and keep you warm, because as I can tell you, here in Texas, our mornings and evenings are very crisp and the afternoons are fairly warm. So what I'm going to show you are two things that I really recommend that you have, and one of them is a blazer. And in this trend and in today's market, you have the boyfriend blazer, which is really the on-trend blazer. As you can tell, the blazer is a little bit longer, a little bit more oversized, and it comes in a lot of different colors. What I would recommend is that you have a couple that you can go to and have maybe a nice neutral color or maybe some pastels, just to give it that spring look. And I have it here, like I said, in white, and then I also have it in a peach blush color. Something like this is definitely a great piece to have in your closet. Now, another thing that you could do if you don't like the oversized boyfriend blazer look, you can also have a pretty nice knit cardigan like we have here as well. This is just a beautiful pastel, springy looking cardigan that will keep you warm. Like I said, you know, wear it for all those occasions that you need to cover yourself. Okay, so that is the first thing. Let's move on to the next item that you must have in your collection is a great collection of t-shirts. And I think they're a must-have in any spring collection, because you are going to be using them throughout the weekend to run errands. And with the amount of designs that are out there, you can really elevate your look with a nice t-shirt. So in this case, I have a couple of styles to show you. What I have here is a basic t-shirt that's a little bit relaxed. It is slightly cropped, not too bad. And it is in here in a couple of colors. Just find the colors that really suit you, but definitely your basics are blacks and whites. Find one of those and you will be set. And the next top that I'm going to show you, it's also a t-shirt, but it's kind of a polo, it's an adjusted polo shirt. And let me show you why. So they took the traditional polo t-shirt design and made it a little different. So as you can tell, it's relaxed, it's got a crop look, and it's great, and it comes in different colors. Find yourselves again the neutrals, the basics, it's the blacks and the whites, and then maybe pick up a really fun trendy color to add to your collection. Okay, so the next item that is not t-shirt related, but it's still a top that I think you need to have in your collection, and this really spans the entire year, not just for spring, not just for summer, but especially for spring and summer, and it's the famous camisole. And a camisole is really versatile because you can either dress it up or dress it down, but for the most part it really can be dressed up. And you know, we're talking about using and having pieces that you can really transition from day into night. The camisole is definitely one to have. And the one I'm going to show you, two styles. One of them is a bodysuit, which we have in some different colors. We have it in white, champagne, and gray here, and it's a cowl neck bodysuit, and this one is fantastic. Camisoles are great because you can wear it under blazers, cardigans, everything. So that is definitely a must-have. Pick a color that's a basic, you know, have your white, have your black, and then maybe find something fun and different in another color. Like this one is just slightly different. This is just in a baby blue color, which also is very pretty and on trend, that you can wear that with some great jeans. The next thing that I think you need to have in your collection is a great pair of jeans. So here's the thing. If you didn't watch my last video, I'm going to put a link above, and when you finish watching this video, go watch that video because I go over all of the different trends that are happening for the spring of 2022. And denim is one where we have so many different styles right now that you really want to make sure that you go and try some on, find your favorite trend, and rock it, all right? Here I have two styles that I'm going to show you. One is a flare jean, and in my neck of the world, flare jeans are definitely a big must-have, and I love these because they are still very form-fitting to the female body, but they also give you that, you know, that flare in the bottom because we are moving more to a relaxed type of denim. So if you don't have one of these in your collection, then definitely go and try one on because I'm sure you're going to want to have one. Now the other one that I wanted to show you is a boyfriend jean, which is the one that I have here in a lighter wash type of denim. And what I like about this one is for those of us that are having a hard time transitioning out from our skinny jeans, this is a great jean to go to because, again, boyfriend jeans do have that relaxed look that we're going into nowadays, but at the same time does give you that structure and that fit that we are so used to. So this one that I have here does have some distressing in it, and it's just a fun jean. You could dress it up, you could dress it down. It's a great pair. The last piece that I think you need to have in your wardrobe for spring, you need to have a great dress. Now, let me just say that the dresses I'm going to show you are not dresses for special events. It's dresses that are like your workhorse dresses, dresses that you can dress up and you can dress down. So think about maybe using these dresses for maybe a business casual day at the office, or a dress that you can run around and look cute during the weekend, or even something that you can dress from day to night with a beautiful blazer and make you look extremely beautiful. So with that, I'm going to show you a couple. So here I have this denim dress that is very, very cute. And that one is just a regular shirt type dress. So find something like that if you don't have something in your closet. I think that one can be really used for a lot of different occasions. Imagine wearing it with some sneakers or changing it with some wedges, you name it. All right, and this one, you know, we have to have the LBD, right? The little black dress. And so this is a very cute little black dress that I've got here. And what I like about this dress is that it's a little bit more fitted than the other one, but it's got a little more of a sexy appeal to it. But imagine wearing a blazer and having this dress underneath. If you don't want to be wearing the dress skin tight, I mean, just wear a blazer over it. All right, guys, so that basically does it for the video today. If you enjoyed it, again, consider subscribing to my channel, giving this video a like, and until next time, I will talk to you soon.